reasons why we need to join Live Good. So number one, ang mga product natin dito ay mga amazing products. Ibig sabihin, result-driven, no? Talagang pag ginamit mo, may epekto talaga sa katawan natin. In fact, if you are not getting any results, no, sa mga produkto natin, within 90 days, pwede nyo ibalik yung empty bottle kahit wala ng laman, and then bibigyan tayo ng refund sa company. Third, ang mga presyo natin ay incredible, no? Ibig sabihin dito is very close to factory price, no? Yung mga presyo ni Live Good, and then wala tayong auto shipping dito. Wala tayong monthly product requirement to buy. Ika nga, buy as you need. And guys, sa pinakita natin na numbers kanina, we are now the number one global business. Okay? So, ano ba talaga si Live Good? No? What is Live Good? So, Live Good is a club membership company. So, hindi po siya kahawig or similar sa mga existing mga company ngayon. Kasi ang business model ni Live Good is a club membership. So, example of club membership companies like Costco, Sam's Club in the US, Amazon, no? Dito sa Pilipinas, itong mga club membership na subscription companies like Netflix, Disney, nakapasok sa atin. But most familiar sa atin, mga Filipino Islanders and SNR. Okay? Ito ay mga club membership company. So si Live Good is the first club membership sa direct selling industry. So kaya nga, Live Good is unique. So far, walang kapareha. So possibly, yung mga companies, ibang companies in direct selling industry will adapt dito sa club membership model. Kasi if not, they will be left behind. Now, mission. No, we will talk about our mission. So mission ni Live Good is to help people get healthy and stay healthy without having to spend a fortune. Okay? So guys, ngayon, no, kalaban sa pag-unlad ng ano natin, ng sa buhay natin is yung tinatawag natin na free radicals. No? Ang mga free radicals makuha natin sa mga pagkain na less na yung mga vitamins and minerals, even sa mga drinks natin, lifestyle natin, even ang pinakagrabe yung air and water pollution. So guys, hindi na yan makuha natin. It gives us mga oxidants, no? Free radicals are oxidants na makasira sa mga cells natin. Na yun po yung dahilan sa mga maraming mga diseases. Kaya nga, wellness is a $1 trillion industry. Kasi yung wellness lang, yung gumawa ng paraan kung paano i-combat yung mga free radicals or mga oxidants. Kaya mostly, ang mga product dito sa wellness ay tinatawag na mga antioxidants. Okay? Because we are more on proactive type of approach, no? Kasi sa medical, reactive na yan. Okay? So, ang pinaka-the best na mga supplements or antioxidants ay yung mga high-quality products. Di ba? Ang problema lang sa mga high-quality supplements products is yung presyo din sobrang mahal. Okay? So, dito sa Live Good, binigyan niya ng solusyon. So, only in Live Good na maka-purchase tayo, maka-avail tayo ng napaka-high-end na mga supplement product, pero yung presyo ay napakamura. Okay? Napakamura. So, we have been told na kaya ito expensive or pricey kasi high quality. Pero it's a myth pala. Okay? The real reason why mahal yung mga high quality product, it's not just because of its quality. Although it's natural nga medyo mas taas talaga yung mga presyo sa mga high quality product. Pero yung pinaka-reason why sobrang mahal na mga produkto na yon, it's because of the compensation plan added to it. Diba? Nabagit sa video ni CEO Ben na yung typical na mga companies are jacking up prices like times 5, times 10, even times 20 so that they can pay commissions sa mga distributors nila. In fact, guys, yung drive ng mga distributors is sa kitaan, di ba? So kaya sobrang taas yung mga produkto na yon, no? So, dito natin nalaman with Live Good na it's because of the Complan pala, no? Kaya nagmahal yung mga product. Kaya dito sa Live Good, binigyan niya ng solusyon. Okay? With Live Good, lahat ng mga product natin walang Complan. So, that's the only reason, that's only way na ang lahat ng mga tao sa buong mundo can access high quality product because of that concept. Di ba? Concept na walang patong yung produkto sa Complan. Makita natin dito sa ano guys sa image, no? It's a very biblical, no? Image dito na Live Good is represent David and all other the price gouging MLMs ay sigulayan. Now we have no plans to knock down the industry kasi nasa the same industry tayo, but what we're going to change is the overpricing of product. Kasi sabi ni Noder Kasan, our director for network marketing, the days of selling overpriced products, so a few people at the top, no, of the Complan can get rich are over. So tapos na yan dito sa Live Good. Okay, so ito si CEO natin, no? Ben Glinsky, with more than 20 years of experience dito sa industry. And ito yung mga katuwang ni Ben, si Ryan Goodkin, our Director of Product Development. No? Siya yung formulator ng ating mga product. He is a Doctor of Pharmacy. Si Lisa Goodkin is the Director of Product Education. So every Monday, meron tayong Zoom about the product. And si Noder Kasan, our Director of Network Marketing. He is a legend sa network marketing industry. Now, Live Good started with supplement products, and we have wellness for all. Okay, from men's health to women's health to weight management. So we all have that kind of product. Then, ang mga product natin guys of highest quality. Napaka-high quality yung mga product natin for 3 reasons. Number 1, organic and natural ingredients. Number 2, source from the most pristine locations on the planet. And number 3, world-class yung manufacturing facilities natin. So lahat ng mga product are made in the USA, approved by the GMP, yung process. GMP means Good Manufacturing Practice, and lab tested for purity and potency. No? Dito lang sa Live Good makikita natin guys na lahat ng mga product natin mayroong certificate of analysis. So ano bang nandyan sa certificate of analysis, no? Pinakita diyan kung gaano ka safe, no? Yung mga produkto natin. Walang mga halong chemicals, walang mga coliform, walang mga bacteria sa binikay, di ba? So this is a simple proof that our products are talagang napakataas ng quality. In fact, no, kasi isa sa mga trabaho ko is company is also to process the registration of product to other countries. Guys, certificate of analysis is one of the major requirement, no? Na kukunin sa isang government before ka mabigyan ng product registration, no? But with Live Good, pinakita or available yan sa back office ng lahat ng mga affiliate member. Okay, so price comparison. Tingnan natin kung gaano talaga ka-affordable yung mga product natin. Sa CBD, although hindi pa ito available sa Pilipinas, CBD is cannabis oil, no? It's sikat na supplement ito ngayon sa US. Yung CBD natin is only $18 compared to $89, $79 sa other brand. So with Live Good, no, as a member, you can save more than 70% dito sa CBD. And look at our magnesium complex. Para saan ba itong magnesium complex? Guys, itong magnesium complex involves in 300 chemical reactions in our body every day. Kung mayroon tayong deficiency dito, it creates a lot of problems like heart disease, no? Yung bone density, no, lack of sleep, yun po yung mga experience natin. Now, tingnan yung price natin sa magnesium complex sa Live Good. It's only $8.25. That's 500 pesos lang compared to $28 of other brand. So savings natin dito is almost 70%. Now, dito naman tayo sa Super Rich. Super Rich guys is our product for cardiovascular health. Sabi nga ni Ben, CEO Ben, na this is for people with a heart. Sana mga taong mayroong puso, no? Kailangan natin to, no? This is not just for cardiovascular health, it's also for blood circulation or mental clarity and sexual health, no? Tingnan yung competitor. Nasa $69, $39. So dito with Live Good, we can save around 70%. Now, another product, no, yung Super Greens natin, $18 lang din. This is 200 plus grams, no? So compared to $69, $99 sa ibang competitor. Dito sa atin, if you're familiar with barley, there are two companies ngayon that are selling barley, 200 grams, no? About 2,000 pesos members price. So sa atin, $18 lang. Nasa ano lang ito nasa mga 1,000 pesos lang ito. Kung i-convert natin sa 56, no? Mga 1,000 pesos lang. Kahit isama pa natin, guys, no? Kahit isama pa natin dito ang yung shipping cost from the US, lalabas na mas affordable pa rin yung mga product natin sa Live Good compared to other local products ngayon. Di ba? So, dito naman tayo sa beauty products. Now, our ageless skin serum cost only $14.95. So nasa ano ito, mga 800 pesos compared to $60, $86 of other brands. So we can save more than 70% dito sa skin serum natin. And for multivitamins naman, no? Tingnan natin, our multivitamin for women, meron din tayong for men, only cost $9.95. So in peso, nasa 570 pesos lang. At sa 57 factor rate na ginamit natin, 60 capsules po ito, guys, no? And then bioactive, complete with multivitamin and iron, di ba? So compared to $46, $29 sa ibang brand. Now, look at our vitamin D3 and keto. No, alam naman natin na sobrang useful si D3, especially sa panahon ng pandemic, kasi they found out na yung mga taong infected sa COVID ay mayroong D3 deficiency. So look at our price, no? $8.5 lang kung member ka. That's less than 500 pesos compared to $35, $21 of other brand. Okay? We also have Factor 4. Now, Factor 4 is designed for anti-inflammation. Kung meron ka problema like arthritis, even diabetes, no? Kasi diabetes also an inflammation of the blood. So $18.5 lang at 60 capsules, no? Compared to $56, $58 of other brand. Okay? Latest natin, guys, na product is yung collagen peptides. Collagen peptides, no, it's good for the skin and for the bones. Trending din ito ngayon sa wellness industry. At napakamura yung natin, yung collagen peptides natin, nasa $27 lang compared to $69, $79 sa ibang brand. Sa mga taong di makatake ng mga food supplements, no, yung mga capsules or caplets. So we also have sleep patches, no, ilagay lang sa katawan niyo, no? So meron tayong 8 hours of effect sa katawan natin. Para yung mga mahirapan makatulog paggabi, no, gamit tayo ng sleep patches natin for only $14.95. So magkano yung in piso? Nasa mga 800 pesos lang, no? Compared to, tingnan nyo naman yung competitor natin, guys, no? $69, $39, no? Sobrang mahal. And lastly, yung energy and focus patches natin, that's only $14.95, no? So patch po ito na naka-design na tulungan maging active po tayo for 8 hours, no? Sa mga taong hindi kayang mag-take na mga capsules. Okay? So again, our competitor prices nasa $70, $35 compared sa atin na $14.95 lang. Okay. Now, para mas maintindihan natin lalo yung business natin, so let me explain the popular club membership worldwide. So, Amazon Prime, napakasikat nito. Yung monthly subscription nito is almost $15. Ang benefit na makuha ng Amazon Prime is unlimited shipping, free shipping. if you order products from Amazon, no? Sa US lang po ito. Okay, din Costco and Sam's Club, no? These are membership club companies na yung membership fee nila per year is nasa $100-$120. Yung benefit natin is as a member, you can access sa mga products nila and save. Build ka sa mga perks and benefits nila. Okay? Dito naman sa service industry, yung sikat is yung Netflix at saka Disney. Netflix, depende sa plan, yung pinaka-common plan ni Netflix is $9.99 per month, no? Unlimited movies, ganoon din si Disney, nasa $10.99 per month. No? Unlimited movies, sports. Now, Live Good, for only $9.95 per month, monthly natin, kung mag-yearly ka, pwede. $99.95 per year. You can save 20%. So, ano bang makuha natin sa Live Good? Highest quality products at absolute price. Yan yung mission natin, di ba? Na magpaprovide tayo ng magandang high quality product without having to spend a fortune to do it. Guys, for that $9.95 monthly, isang product lang bilhin mo each month. Bawing-bawi ka na sa $9.95 mo. So yun po yung club membership offer natin sa Live Good. Now, with Live Good, there are two types of membership. Meron tayong tinatawag na club membership, meron din tayong tinatawag na affiliate membership. Yung how to become a club member. So, just get the link from your sponsor. Pagkatapos, bayad lang tayo na $9.95 per month. You can save 20% if you pay annually. No? Again, yung benefits natin dito sa club member, you can enjoy wholesale price or member price. Okay? So, in fact, as a Live Good Club member, you can save up to 75% compared to other products in other network marketing companies. So, ang mga tao is nagmi-member ng Live Good sa club member because they want to save money. Diba? So again, ulitin ko po, ito po yung mission ng company natin na makapag-provide tayo ng very high quality product so that people can afford. Pwede nilang gamitin month after month. So, as a club member, yung objective natin is we want to save money. Right? Di ba? Kasi based on statistics sa mga high quality product, mga 3 months lang magki-quit yung mga tao na magamit sa products na yun kasi di can no longer afford sa kamahal ng product na yun. So with Live Good, you can save money. Now, dito naman tayo sa affiliate membership. So how to become an affiliate membership ni Live Good? So again, get your sponsor's link and then pay a one-time of $49.95 on your first month. So magkano naman yan in peso? Right now, sa conversion natin, nasa 57, this is 2,900. No? $49.95 is 2,900. One time lang yan for your first month. And then after that, bayad ka lang ng $9.95 per month. So, ano ba yung makukuha natin dito sa $49.95? So, of course, access to membership club. So, as an affiliate member, ikaw din ay club member. Di ba? So, you can access sa mga affordable high-end product natin with Live Good. Pangalawa, digital marketing products. Alam nyo guys, yung makukuha natin dito sa marketing products. Number one, yung video na pinanood natin kanina na si CEO Bin yung nag-discuss. Tinatawag natin yan na landing page. Meron din kayong ganon na once people naka-check doon, video na yon, yung nagpi-fill up sila, naka-link in na sila sa iyo sa power line nyo. So first, marketing, meron tayong marketing landing page for opportunity, and then meron din tayong e-commerce store. Meron tayong online store, na yung online store natin is a drop shipping business that can ship to 200 countries. Yun. So, napakamahal ng mga services na magkuha natin in lieu of $49.95. Now, third is we can participate sa compensation plan ni Live Good. Now guys, I want to make it clear, affiliate membership, yung purpose natin dito is we want to save money on product at yung pinaka-important reason why nag-affiliate tayo is we want to make money. Business, guys. Business. So, I want to make a recap, no? Again, mayroon tayong dalawang membership ni Live Good. Club membership, gusto mo lang makasave sa product, and pangalawa, affiliate membership. Gusto kang makasave ng product, at the same time, gusto kang kumita. Okay? So, would you like to earn up to $2,000 or more per month? So, stay for the next presentation. Business na yung pag-uusapan natin, guys, ha? Business na. Okay? Dito na, kasi affiliate na to. Okay? So, allow me to stir our minds kasi business yung pag-usapan natin. So, bakit ba tayo mag-affiliate ni Live Good? At bakit ba tayo magnegosyo? Di ba? So, kaya nga tayo nagtrabaho, gusto natin kumita. Di ba? So, this is my favorite yung favorite book, no, from one of my mentor, my passive mentor, Robert Kiyosaki, itong cash flow quadrant. So cash flow quadrant, Kiyosaki explained the sources of money. Okay? So mayroong 4 na source of money. Meron tayong work, that's employment. Okay? And then we trade our time for money. Kaya tayo nagtrabaho kasi gusto nating kumita. Yung mga most of our Filipinos na gustong kumita ng malaki, no, nag-abroad, no? Mga hero natin, na bagong hero natin, mga OFW, okay? So sa labas medyo malaki yung kita nila, but still tinatawag natin yan na linear income, okay? Kasi walang leverage. Kumikita tayo sa sariling oras natin, no? We're just trading our time with money. So dito sa Pilipinas, piso yung yung kita mo per hour. Sa labas, euro, dollar. Yun lang pinagkaiba, 'di ba? Sa pangalawang source of income is yung self-employed. Okay? Ano ba ibig sabihin ng self-employed? You own a job. Baka dentist ka, doktor ka, lawyer ka, mayroon kang skills. Kumita yung tao dito because of skills. Malaki-laki yung kita dito compared to employee. But guys, wala pa ring leverage. Ano ba ibig sabihin ng walang leverage? If you will not work, you will not earn. Ganun kasimple. So, ibig sabihin, kung nagtrabaho ka ng 8 hours or mag-overtime ka ng hanggang 12 hours, so yun, lalaki yung kita mo, extend mo yung oras mo. So, tinatawag po itong linear type of income. Okay? So, linear meaning no work, no pay. Now, tingnan natin sa kabilang quadrant. Okay? Itong business owner. Okay? So business owner, kaganahan nito guys, merong leverage. So, ano bang leverage meron dito? Leverage is you have the ability to multiply your time. Kaya kung gusto mo masinso, hindi mo makita yan dito sa trabaho. Kasi you cannot work 24 hours. But dito guys, as a business owner, kung mayroon kang 10 empleyado times 8, so mayroon kang 80 hours per day. Kahit hindi ka magtrabaho. That's a secret of mga rich people because they own a business. Okay? So, pang-apat na source of income is investor. Okay, we will not discuss about investment. Okay? Tutok tayo sa negosyo. So, Live Good guys, imagine. Sa Live Good, na-discuss natin magkano yung first month natin ni Live Good. So only 2,900 pesos, global business na. Di ba? So ano ba gagamitin natin na system dito? Yung Zoom system, yung cellphone mo, napakadali. Even if wala kang trabaho, as long as may connection ka, pwede kang mag-business dito. And guys, business involves 2 factors. Number 1, yung capital, it's yung entry. Pangalawa, yung operation, yung OPEX. Di ba? Kailangan mong magbukas ng business mo araw-araw. Kailangan ka mag-spend. Kailangan ka mag-contribute doon sa operation mo. Then alam nyo ba na yung OPEX natin dito sa Live Good is $9.95 lang a month or 570. Di ba? So kaya nga, if you want to become an affiliate member ni Live Good, Okay? Hindi lang ito nagtapos yung capital mo sa 2.9. Mayroong 2.9 and mayroong kang OPEX. Itong $9.95 sa subscription natin kung saan makuha natin yung savings niyan sa pagbili ng mga product. So I hope it's clear guys na yung second part natin na presentation is about business. Okay. Now, anong klaseng business meron tayo? Subscription business. Example of subscription business is Zoom. Itong ginagamit natin ngayon. Ako, I am paying Zoom, no? Mga 800 pesos per month, no? Limited lang tayo sa 100 participants. So ngayon, nasa 28 pa lang tayo. So once dumami tayo dito, I have to increase my subscription sa Zoom. Alam nyo ba guys, nakita ni Zoom last year is $2.65 billion sa subscription. Okay? Next, another subscription company, Netflix, with 230 million subscribers worldwide, ang kita nila guys is 31.6 billion. Di ba? Grabe kalaki ang subscription business. Sa Costco naman, no? Sa membership fee lang, yung kita nila is $3.5 billion. And then they have ilang million members, mga 100 million, no? 100 million cardholders or members sa Costco. Okay? So, ano bang pinakaiba? Kanina, no? Pinakita natin yung similarity ni Live Good sa Amazon Prime, sa Costco, sa Sam's Club, sa Netflix, no? Now, we are a club membership company, but meron silang major difference. Ano bang major difference dito? Sa Amazon Prime, wala silang affiliate marketing. Sa Sam's Club, walang affiliate marketing. Sa Costco, wala. Sa Netflix, wala. Sa Disney, wala. But with Live Good, mayroon tayong affiliate marketing. Di ba? In fact, yung budget for marketing ni Live Good, no, binigay doon sa mga affiliate members. Okay? So guys, tingnan nyo to ha. Netflix spend 2.5 billion. This is billion in dollars last year in marketing. Marketing meaning ang purpose sa marketing para dumami yung subscribers nila. Marketing ba? Nagma-market tayo. Di ba? So saan ba nila nilagay yung 2.5 billion dollars last year? Sa 2021, 2.55 billion dollars. Okay? Doon nila nilagay sa social media at saka email marketing. Tingnan nyo guys, ma-Facebook, ma-Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, nandun si Netflix. Doon nila nilagay yung marketing budget nila sa social media at saka email marketing. 10% of their sales binalik nila sa marketing para maging makip yung membership at dumadami yung membership. Diba? Now, tingnan natin si Live Good guys. Live Good believes in the power of referral marketing. Yung budget for marketing ni Live Good, hindi niya binigay doon sa social media at saka email marketing. Binigay niya sa atin. Binigay niya sa mga affiliate. Kasi again, sabi ko nga, CEO Ben believes in the power of referral marketing. Tayo mismo, ang mga club member, yung mag-promote ng product and services ni Live Good. At alam nyo ba na at least 50% of the sales ni Live Good ay binalik sa mga affiliate in the form of a plan. Di ba? So, if you are an affiliate, sa mga affiliate na dito ngayon, Coach Andrew, Coach XP, Coach Ernesto from Jinsan, congratulations. Kasi tayo mga affiliates ang makinabang sa 50% of the revenue. Really good. Diba? So sa mga hindi pa affiliates, mag-affiliate na kayo guys. Kung gusto niyong magnegosyo na global on top of your existing source of income, dito sa Live Good posible. Okay? So again, congratulations sa lahat ng mga affiliates. Now, yung 50% na sales ni Live Good na nilagay sa Complan, ang purpose niyan para ma-reward yung mga performer. Kung grabe ka mag-perform guys, grabe kang mag-refer, kasi sabi ko nga, nilagay ni Ben dito sa referral yung obligation, yung responsibility to expand the membership. Kaya hindi sila nag-advertise, sila si Ben Linsky, kasi tayo yung nag-advertise, no? Sa membership ni Live Good. Nilagay dito sa powerful kumplan, yung 50%. So, ito na po yung paraan, 'di ba? Mayroong budget sa marketing. So, paano 'yan ibibigay ni Bin Glinsky yung marketing budget? Depende sa effort natin 'yan. And then meron tayong dalawang powerful unilevel and force metrics. Okay? So, it's the way to reward sa mga affiliate ni Livgood. So, first, meron tayong tinatawag na fast start bonus. Ano ba ibig sabihin ng fast start bonus? Every time you can refer an affiliate na nagbabayad ng $49.95, the company will give you $25. $25 each. Guys, $25. You heard it right. So, maka-break even ka na pag mayroon kang dalawang na referral. Di ba? Wala pang auto ship, wala pang quota, wala pang volume requirement. Di ba? Ang kagandahan ng weekly fast start bonus natin, guys, ikaw to, lahat ng mga direct mo, meron kang $25. Okay? And then yung direct mo, makakuha ng direct, kikita ka pa ng level 2, $5, provided bronze ka. In fact, kikita ka hanggang level 10 kung ang rank mo diamond. So later on, itatakol natin yan paano mag-rank up. Now, dito lang guys ha, dalawa lang, makakuha ka lang dalawang affiliate per month. Affiliate per month. So, ibig sabihin, in 1 year, kikita ka ng $300. Diba? Sa sarili mong effort. Kasi yung goal natin, dalawa each month. Kasi this is a business. Business ito, paano ba dumami yung membership ni Livgood kung hindi tayo mag-refer? Ano bang reason mag-join tayo as an affiliate na hindi tayo nag-exert ng effort? So minimum commitment lang, dalawa lang each month. Dalawa each month yung target natin. So in 1 year, kumita ka ng $300. Now, what if yung lahat ng dalawa mo, nagdalawa din per month? Per month. So alam nyo ba guys na in 1 year, kikita ka ng 24 million pesos. Ito po yung tinatawag na leverage. Leverage. Paano mag-leverage? Just transmit your belief to other person. Na ito lang gagawin mo. Sumali ka lang, 2.9 lang, meron kang 570 per month. Mang-refer ka ng target mo, dalawang affiliate kang each month, kikita ka ng 24 million sa fast start bonus sa isang taon. Kung 100% duplication yan. Kung 50% duplication, isang affiliate, isang tao lang each month, 12 million pa rin guys. Diba? So, pangalawa, kitaan natin, grabe nito ka-powerful. 2x15 matrix. Saan ba galing ito? Galing naman ito sa subscription. Okay? Di ba nag-subscribe tayo monthly? Yung cost to operate the business is 570 ngayon or yung para maka-access ka ng product. Pero yung focus natin ngayon business negosyo. Okay? So 2x15 matrix, ibig sabihin kung ikaw to, dalawa lang pwede makonect sa'yo. Pati sa mga upline mo. Then yung iba, kung madami ka, remember, 2 each month. Yung iba, spill over yan. Lagay mo si Baba. Kagandahan dito guys, kikita ka ng $0.25 each month per subscriber kahit wala kang direct. Yun po yung features ni Matrix. But I will not encourage you na maghintay ka. Nagkatawag natin yung spillover. Kasi kung maghintay ka, spillover, sino ba mag-recruit? Sino bang magpa-increase ng membership ng company? Yung ibang yung upline mo, sila yung yayaman. Di ba? Kasi again, Livgood believes in the power of referral. Hindi ka nagre-refer, hindi kang kumita sa spillover, hindi ka yayaman. Di ba? So, example, okay? Discuss ko lang yung concept ng matrix natin. Ikaw to, di ba? So, 2x15, ang ibig sabihin yan, 2x15, dalawa lang pwede makonect mo. From left to right, kasi yun po ano natin. Yun po yung concept natin. So, pwedeng ikaw naglagay dito, or yung isa, yung upline mo. Then, ito yung tinatawag natin na level 1. So, sino man ang magpupuno ng level 2? So, halimbawa ito, may referral isa. Di ba? Lagay dito. Ikaw din, mayroon kang referral. Lagay din dito. So, sa'yo to. And then, halimbawa, si upline, may referral din. Lagay dito. Then, itong tao na ito is, magakuha isa. Lagay din dito. So napuno yung level 2 mo. So next, dito naman, di ba? So mapuno yan, tinatawag yan na level 3. So sino ba magtrabaho ng level 1 mo hanggang level 15? 12, 13, 14, at saka level 15. Sino magtrabaho dyan? Ang magtrabaho niyan, ikaw at saka yung mga grupo mo at pati yung upline mo. Guys, again, ang kagandahan ng 2x15 matrix, force matrix yan. Bawat affiliate, dalawa lang yung pwedeng malagay dyan. So, yung the risk spillover. So, anong ibig sabihin ng the risk spillover? Kahit wala kang recruit, kasi sobrang busy mo, di ka nag-refer eh. Kahit wala kang recruit, pwede kang kumita hanggang 12 level. And this is $2,000 per month sa 12 level, even if you have no contribution. Pero mabagal yan kasi wala kang contribution. Pero kung maging mag-rank ka, mag-bronze ka, okay? Yung matrix mo hanggang 2x13, yung kita mo sa matrix, maging $4,000 per month potential income. Maging silver ka, ganun pa rin 2x13, no? 2x13 pa rin itong silver. Kung mag-gold ka at saka platinum, this is 2x14. So maging 8,000 kung gold at platinum ka. Then diamond, yun po yung 2x15 sa diamond. Kaya yung kita mo sa matrix sa diamond is $16,000 per month income potential. Hey guys, pasensya po dito sa natin, bilog-bilog natin. Gusto ko lang i-educate sa atin lahat na yung features ni 2x15 matrix, pwedeng kikita ang isang affiliate hanggang $2,000 per month kahit walang referral. Ang problema lang, dragging yan. And then, salungat yan sa purpose ng affiliate membership. Affiliate membership is tayo binigyan ng responsibility to share the Live Good product and services para sa lahat. So why not share the business? Di ba? So, pangatlong kitaan guys, yung tinatawag natin na matching bonus. So, matching bonus is a monthly bonus of 50% from what your directs earn every month from your matrix. Halimbawa, ikaw to, no, this is you. And then yung tao na to, kumita ng $1,000 sa matrix, meron kang 50%, that's $500. Kung itong tao na ito, kumita ng 500 sa matrix, meron kang 50%, that's $250. Itong affiliate na to, kumita ng 100, meron kang 50. Kung tao na to, kumita ng 200, meron kang 100, is 50%. Ang kagandahan guys, infinitely wide. Walang limit as to the numbers of affiliate na pwede mong ma-refer dito sa business natin. Diba? So, another good thing about matching bonus, kahit wala kang rank, kikita ka ng 50% matching bonus. Okay? Now, if nag-rank up ka, naging silver ka, kikita ka ng 10% sa second generation mo. Kung mag-gold ka, kikita ka ng up to third generation. Kung platinum ka, hanggang fourth generation. Kung diamond ka, hanggang fifth generation. Ganon ka tindi yung ating matching bonus. So, sa mga affiliates na or sa mga hindi pa affiliates, kung mag-affiliate kayo, go for family account setup. Ano ba yung family account setup? Ikaw to, lagay mo yung dalawang member ng family mo. Usually, yung family member natin, yung gumagalaw. Pero this time, pwede sila makinabang sa effort natin. So, when you do this, naging ano ka, naging bronze affiliate ka, kikita ka ng matrix na up to $4,000 per month, potential income. Ang mangyari din, kung kumita ka ng $4,000 sa matrix, that means yung 2x, yung 2x13 mo is fully filled up. Kaya kumita ka ng $4,000 per month. Ibig sabihin, yung family A mo, napuno din yung matrix nila. So, kita din siya ng $2,000 per month. Yung family B mo, napuno din yung matrix na. Kita din siya ng $2,000 din. Now, since ikaw yung direct ng dalawang to, may 50% match ka. May tig 1,000 ka each. So, total potential income rito is 560,000 pesos per month potential income. So, if you are interested to become an affiliate, gusto mong talagang kumita, i-posting mo na dito sa sit-up na to. Kaya ko ito guys, diniscuss kasi hindi ko ito nagawa. Huli na ba na nalaman ko na ganong magandang sit-up pala ito. So nangyari is sa account ko, ako to, yung direct left ko at saka right, hindi family ko. Nandito na yung family ko dito sa baba. Okay lang din. Pero if I were told na mas magandang sit-up to, ginawa ko na sana. So kaya sa mga presentation natin, sinama ko na itong presentation na to para at least magkano lang yung 29 times 3. Di ba? So, ang power ng kumpla natin guys, nasa matching bonus. Bakit? Kahit may 30 direct referrals ka lang na busy but active sa membership, no? Ibig sabihin, hindi pa nag-share sa negosyo natin, yung potential income nila per month is 2,047.5. Direct mo yan, so may 50% ka, potential income mo is nasa 1.6 million per month. Okay? Kung may 30 days ka. Pero, what if yung may vision ka na 100 direct referrals na maging diamond lahat? In fact, yung team natin is Global Diamonds. Ang goal natin, if you are serious as an affiliate, we will help you become a diamond. And then, yung reach natin, hindi lang Pilipinas. Yung sakop natin is buong mundo. Kaya Global Diamonds. Kung meron kang 100 directs na naging diamond lahat, so kumikita per month yung diamond ng $16,000 per month, may 50% ka dyan na matching bonus. So, total potential income mo, pag meron kang 100 diamond is 45 million. Guys, kahit 1% or 10% lang yung realization dyan, 3 years from now, malaking pira pa rin. Diba? So, let me share an example sa mga matrix income versus matching bonus. So this is one from this income is from our upline no in the US. Nung February, yung matrix bonus niya is 661, yung matching niya is 6,000, no? Ang laki ng matching kasi mayroon siyang 100 directs. Mahigit. But next month, yung matrix bonus niya is 900, yung matching bonus niya is nasa 14,000. On the third month like April, yung matching matrix bonus niya naging 1,000. Pero yung matching naga 24. So look, tingnan yung ano guys, yung increment ng matrix. Hindi masyadong mataas, no? From 600 naging 900, naging 1,000. But tingnan yung matching, grabe. Taas ng agwat. No? So ibig sabihin, nandito pala sa matching bonus, yung kitaan natin dito. Now, fourth way to earn is retail commission. Kita ito sa pagbibinta ng product kasi meron tayong online store, dropshipping. But I will not focus on this ngayon. Kasi yung team natin nasa paramihan ng affiliate. Ibagsak natin ito next year. Yung paano magbinta ng product natin worldwide. Din panglima, nakitaan, sinatawag natin na influencer bonus. Again, dropshipping, e-commerce, kitaan din ito. No? Takon natin yan sa training or sa next plan natin. So, discuss ko lang yung pang-anim na kitaan. Di ba wala tayong kita sa product? Kasi walang kumpla ng product. But once you become a diamond, okay, 2% of the total sales sa membership ay paghatian ng lahat ng mga diamond. So last month, last August, July pala, yung shares per diamond is nasa $6,000 each. Di ba? So parang shareholder ka na ng company pag ikaw ay diamond. And then another pool, tinatawag na Crown Diamond Bonus Pool, that's 0.5% allocation, no? Dalawa lang meron tayo sa buong Livegood na Crown Diamonds. So, yung shares nila last month nasa $24,000 per month. Di ba? Sobrang laki na yan, guys. Okay, so apply natin sa Pilipinas, si Fernan Santiago, he's a Crown Diamond, earning, grabe. Itong $40,000, ano na to, outdated na to. Then in the US, si GC Garcia, and then apply din natin si T. Miller, the first Crown Diamond. Now, since nasa part 2 tayo, nasa business side tayo, where is the biggest money ni Livegood? Okay? Nasa matching bonus, guys. Kasi yung weekly pass start, yung kitaan, although malaki din, but it's an active type. Kung yung mga tao natin maghinto ng mga refer kasi member na lahat. So, stop na rin income natin. Yung retail commission is pagbibinta, active. So, ibig sabihin, may kita pag may binta. Yung Diamond Poll at saka Crown Diamond Poll, tinatawag yun na shared income. So kung magkano nandun, divided by equally, yun po yung income natin. But with matching bonus, this is passive na limited pa. Kasi based po ito sa effort natin. Based po ito kung ilan yung napapasok natin dito ng mga affiliate. Kaya guys, go for massive referral. We are not referring 1 million. We are not looking for 100,000 investor dito. Naghanap lang tayo ng affiliate na willing mag-business global. Ang capital is 2.9 lang. And operating cost is only 570 pesos per month. Diba? So, let me show you yung paano mag-rank advance. Kung wala kang direct or may isang direct ka, maging rank unrank ka, potential income sa Matrix mo is 2,000, mang-refer ka, kikita ka pa rin $25 per referral. But if you are a bronze, ang requirement ng bronze, dalawa lang na referral. Yung Matrix mo maging 4,000 and then mayroon kang level 2 na fast start. Silver, 3 bronze lang pero kailangan total na team mo is 20 or meron kang 10 directs, total team mo is 20. Matrix income potential is 4,000 up to level 4 yung fast start bonus. Gold is 3 silver, kailangan lang total team, total organization is 100, hindi kasama spillover. Or meron kang 30 directs, total team is 100. Potential matrix income is 8,000 hanggang level 6 yung fast start mo. Diba? Yung platinum is 3 gold with total team of 500 or meron kang 100 directs, total team is 500. Matrix income potential is 8,000 hanggang level 8 ka. And then lastly, yung diamond, 3 platinum lang with total team of 2,500 or meron kang 5 leg with total team of 2,500, yung matrix potential income mo is 16,000 hanggang level 10 yung fast start bonus mo. Okay? So guys, pinakita natin yung mga grabing potential. Pinakita na natin na ang affiliate membership is a global business na naghalaga lang ng 2,900 one time plus meron tayong monthly OPEX na 570 pesos each month na kayang magbigay sa inyo ng millions of income years from now. Okay? But, bakit mo gawin yan? Baka di mo kailangan ng 1 million per month, 1 year from now. Baka gusto mo lang 100,000 per month, 1 year from now, goods na sa'yo. Depende yan, guys. Kaya nga, for me, palagi ko sinasabi, redevelop your why. Bakit gawin mo yung business nito? Baka may pira ka na, gusto mo lang yung product. Bakit ka ba mag-affiliate pa? Mag-subscribe ka na lang. $9.95 per month. Pwede mo i-on and off yan. Yung yung subscription. Kasi club membership ka lang, habol mo lang product. But if yung habol mo business, huwag mong i-miss yung monthly subscription. Pwede mo namang i-miss kung hindi talaga kaya. Yung risk, kung wala ka namang effort, walang risk masyado. Pero kung may team ka na, bakit mo i-sacrifice itong 560 per? Okay? Yun, redevelop your why. Magkano ba yung gusto mong kitaan? Para mag-proceed na tayo sa action plan. Kung action plan mo is to be just an active club member, bayad ka lang ng $9.25 per month or upgrade ka ng yearly, makasave ka ng 20%, order product as you need, kikita ka pa rin ng dividendo based sa matrix pullover. Basta, intact yung monthly mo. Kasi yung $9.25, yung benefit niyan, dalawa. As a club member, access sa product, pangalawa, yung matrix as business incentives. Di ba? So, pwede kang kikita dito ng up to $2,000 per month, no? Sa matrix kahit wala kang recruit. But we are not encouraging this one. Pinakita natin to kasi posible to. Sa mga taong talagang may problema, hindi talaga makagalaw, walang referral, at least kikita pa rin sila. But if you are a dreamer, meron kang pangarap, may reason ka, so let's do the business. Yung action plan natin to is power up to lang. Yung power of 2 is kuha ka lang ng 2 affiliate in your first month, pwede ka maghinto. Basta active ka lang sa membership mo, in 1 year, no? I-duplicate mo lang yan in 1 year, kikita ka ng $2,000 per month, every month, sa ganitong setup. Okay, so again, dalawa lang, first month, and stop, and duplicate. But, hindi ka maging diamond dito. But yung totoong power of to is every month, mayroon kang dalawa. Kaya tayo naging affiliate kasi binigyan tayo ng opportunity to market Live Good membership and product. So, dalawa lang each month, guys, no? Every month, dalawa lang yung target natin, dalawang affiliate lang. Alam nyo ba na pwede kang maging diamond in 6 months time? Diamond in 6 months time. Paano mo gawin? Dalawa lang every month. Dalawa every month. Yung dalawa mo, dalawa rin every month. Maging diamond ka in 6 months, you will be earning an average income of $10,000 per month. Question is, kaya bang mag-recruit or mag-refer ng dalawang tao na mag-put up ng 2,900 per month? 2,900 one time and 570 per month? Ang sagot yan is oo. Willing ka lang mag-share, willing ka lang mag-invite, willing ka lang mag-spread, willing mo lang trabahuin yung trabaho mo as an affiliate, kayang-kaya yan. So yun po yung doktrina natin sa Team Global Diamonds. The power of 2. Ibig sabihin, refer to in a month. Refer to in a month. Dalawa lang. Maging diamond ka in 6 months. So top 4 reasons to join Live Good. Number 1, simple, powerful, and lucrative fee plan. Marketing system given, may training every week, may tools pa tayong may tools ka pa sa team natin, may extra tools pa tayong ibibigay. Third, very high quality and affordable health products. And number 1, we just launched officially. Ang goal natin is 1 million members sa 2023, and right now 660,000 members na tayo worldwide. Sigurado makuha natin yung 1 million before end of this year. And this is just a tip of the iceberg. The next big thing is yung next year onward. Okay? So ngayon, sa S-Corp or Success Corp, nandito pa tayo sa formulation stage. Kasi mag 8 months pa lang si Live Good. 3 to 7 years from now would be the momentum. Ano ibig sabihin ng momentum? Yung mga tao kusang mag-join na ng Live Good. Dito mangyari yung multiplier. After that, this is stability. Guys, minsan lang to mangyari sa buhay natin na nakaposisyon tayo sa isang malaking company, sa isang disruptive business model na nandito tayo sa formulation stage. Okay? Huwag mo nang pag-isipan yan. Pag-isipan mo yan, 1 year from now, nandito na tayo sa momentum. Mas maganda makapasok ka before the momentum begins. Okay, so siguro, tingnan natin kung gising pa ba yung mga affiliates and guests natin. So, paki-type lang sa chat box natin. Are you an A, B, or C? I want to become an A kasi gusto kong mag-affiliate, gusto kong magpapangarap ko 1 year from now. Or gusto ko B, gusto lang akong change ng brand kasi mas high quality sa Live Good at saka affordable. Or gusto ko lang mag-C, bayad lang ako ng retail price, mura naman. Di ba? So, it's up to us. So, tingnan natin kung gising pa ba ang mga tao dito sa room natin. Okay, so, sige. So, message po kayo. Okay, si Coach XP, of course, A, malaking E. Si Ma'am Wilhelmina, Rodina, malaking E din. Si Future Tech, sobrang laking E. Ma'am Susan, A. Oh, si Ma'am Ruth, no? Congratulations, Ma'am. Bronze ka na pala, no? So, nasa ano ka, Ma'am? Sa anong area mo, Ma'am? Cebu, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, or nasa abroad ka? Si Emer, salamat, A. Monificent A. Ayan. Si guest natin, si Ma'am Ann A. No? Omar A. from Luzon. O, from UAE pro si Ma'am Ruth. Ma'am, sakupin mo na lahat dyan. Alam nyo ba na ang daming aware na sa LiveGood but di nila naintindihan. Di ba? So di nila nakita yung opportunity ni LiveGood. Nakita nila another company sa MLM like all other companies. Ibang-iba talaga si LiveGood. Okay? It's a disruption sa direct selling industry kasi number one, walang pato yung product natin. Kaya ma-enjoy na mga tao yung produkto. The lifeline of businesses is the product. Kung yung mga tao gumagamit ng product palagi, like for example, ako ngayon, gamit tayo ng magnesium complex, 560 pesos lang, no? Grabe. No, so guys, time is of the essence. Sa totoong buhay, kung gusto mong umasinso, kailangan mong mag-sacrifice. There's no gain if there's no pain. And then kagandahan ng business natin, nasa pioneering stage tayo, napaka-affordable, kahit sino pwedeng mag-join. Kailangan na nating gabayan. Kailangan natin i-plug in sa mga Zoom at saka training. Katulad ng mamayang gabi, mayroon tayong training at 8 p.m. Plug in natin yung team. So si Coach Expedito, yung upcoming platinum natin, yung mag-train sa atin, guys. No? Daming gagawin sa team para matulungan ng mga affiliate natin na maging diamonds talaga. Basta sa lahat ng mga affiliate, yung commitment natin is dapat makakuha tayo ng 2 affiliate month after month. Yun po yung minimum commitment. Kung kaya yung 2 every week, it's up to you. But kailangan natin mayroon tayong 2 every month. Why? Kasi we are an affiliate member. Tayo lang ang binigyan ng responsibility to share the membership to others. Kaya so that aabot tayo ng billions of membership in the coming year. Again, Ben believes in the power of referral marketing. So, totoong kikita naman tayo sa spillover. Pero kung mag-spillover ka sa affiliate, you are not an affiliate. Kasi hindi mo in-exercise yung right mo, responsibility mo to share the membership to others. But may mga tao talaga nga sobrang busy, hindi talaga makapaggalaw, o may mga tao na hindi talaga nag-join sa kanya. So, irigalo na natin yung spillover. But tulungan natin i-build up yung metrics natin, guys. Andaling i-fill in yung metrics kung tayo lahat magtulong-tulong. Na for example, di ba, ikaw to. So, sino ba mag-fill in ng metrics mo? Ikaw, ang grupo mo, at saka upline mo. But again, mas madaling mag-fill up yung metrics kung titingin ka pababa. Kasi yung nasa taas mo, mas malaki yung grupo yung sa kanila. Di ba? So, ito na yung pinaka-simpleng business, pinaka-doable na business, global business. But I would not see na maging milyonaryo ka kung wala kang gagawin. Paying a monthly subscription, for me, is not a work. Nagbabayad ka lang. Di ba? But it's not a work. Kailangan natin magtrabaho. Na ano ba tinatrabaho natin? Business, yung dreams natin. Kasi if you're willing to work 10 hours a day, para lang kumita ka ng 50,000 a month, then after you retire, wala ka ng kita. Why not spend 2 to 4 hours a day para kikita ka ng million per month, siguro 2 years from now, we'd live good. Diba? So, sa mga kung hindi pa natin naintindihan yung potential ni LiveGood, magtanong kayo, guys. You ask questions here. Kasi kami dito ni Coach 6P, na Coach Andrew, nakita na namin ito. Once makita natin yung opportunity ni LiveGood, we cannot unsee it anymore. Di ba? So, kaya ako bumili ng magnesium kasi hindi na ako makatulog kaisip sa potential ni LiveGood. Ang dami kong gustong gawin, pero we're limited to 24 hours a day. Guys. So, kung may mga reason kayo, kung sa tingin nyo, pira ang solusyon sa mga problema natin, hatawin na natin ito ng todo. Okay? If you think kung kukita ka ng 200,000, 300,000 a month, hatawin na natin to. Ito na talaga. Okay? So, target natin alas 3. So, matapos na ito. Kasi may alas 3 din tayo na presentation, no? Sa Soaring Eagles. Undertime tayo sa Soaring Eagles. And then alas 3 yan. At saka alas 8. 7 and 9 p.m. sa Dreammakers Worldwide, part din tayo ng team na yan. So if you have questions dito, kahit stupid question, pwede niyong itanong dito, guys. Huwag kayong mahiya magtanong. Magtulungan tayo sa team. No? Palaguin natin yung business natin. Palakihin natin yung yung network natin, guys. Kasi nabanggit ko na kanina, yung expertise natin sa team natin, from me, Coach XP, Coach Andro, kung nandito man si Coach Raymond ngayon, alam ni Coach Ernesto yan, nasa e-commerce tayo. Master natin yung e-commerce at saka dropshipping business, wherein yung kitaan number 4 at kitaan number 5 nandoon. Our plan is to saturate the global market dito sa dropshipping. Kailangan natin ng pira, guys, kasi mas mahal mag-boosting doon outside of the Philippines. Okay? So paramihin natin yung affiliates natin kasi kami dito sa Team Diamonds, no, we are preparing a system na pwede natin gamitin lahat dito sa team natin. Exclusive lang sa Team Global Diamonds. Kaya si Sir Daniel Tulusa from Cabanatuan, go for silver. Coach Daniel. Si Coach Ernest Lapides, sigurado yan, maging silver na yan. If not this week, baka next week, gold na yan, no? From Jinsan. Ma'am Ruth, ma'am, go for gold. Okay? 100 lang na direct. Gold ka na. Okay? So wag natin tulugan itong opportunity na to, guys, no? Sabi ni Noder Kazan, don't sleep on this opportunity. This is only happening once in a lifetime natin, no? Na nandito tayo sa isang malaking company, a very disruptive company, pero nasa pioneering stage tayo. Normal yan, guys, na mayroong magsasabi na baka scam yan, baka ano yan. Just dig deeper. Dig deeper. Makikita nila kung gaano kaganda sila. Don't need to argue with them. It's because there's nothing to argue. Yung mga tao nagsasabi na scam or di magtatagal,